Hello, and welcome to XYZ News. Our story today is obviously about the Yellowstone National Park, since it's Yellowstone Memorial Day. Volcanoes are holes that are opened up on the surface of the earth to let out magma from underground. Yellowstone's magma chamber holds enough magma to fill the Grand Canyon 11 times. There are two areas where volcanoes can occur. Volcanoes can occur along tectonic plate boundaries where there is lots of seismic activity and rock movement. They can also form along what we call hotspots, which are formed in areas that contain abnormally hot rock underneath. There are two factors that determine how big a volcano will be: the viscosity of the lava, how sticky or runny it is, and the amount of CO2 and H2O that's in it. Gases are what give magma the push through the vent. I'm going to ask Dr. Sandeep Shukimullik, expert on Yellowstone supereruption, a few questions. Dr. Mullik, was the Yellowstone supereruption on any tectonic plate boundaries?
No, it was on a massive hotspot, just waiting to erupt.
Was the lava viscous, or was it very sticky?
It was extremely viscous and had no trouble leaving the magma chamber.
And what triggered this supereruption?
Yellowstone was overdue as it was 13 years ago and only needed minor quakes to set up the eruption.
Interesting. When was the most previous supereruption before 13 years ago?
About 640,000 plus years ago, and its super crater had a radius of 1,500 square miles.
Intriguing. And when do you think the next supereruption at Yellowstone will occur?
Our grandchildren's grandchildren will not live to see the day, so we really don't have to worry about that.
Do you know if Yellowstone's eruption was a mafic or felsic eruption?
Good question. It was a felsic eruption. Mafic eruptions occur underwater and are called the quiet eruption.
About how many people died from Yellowstone's eruption?
About 200 million people died from the eruption due to the pyroclastic material that covered the earth.
Last question. How is the earth affected by Yellowstone's supereruption?
Well, when Yellowstone stopped erupting, the ash created a giant plume in the atmosphere. This plume itself created a greenhouse effect, which superheated the environment by creating a vicious circle.
And who specifically does the eruption affect on the earth?
Anyone 18 degrees north of the equator or 18 degrees south of the equator. The environment has become so hot it's unlivable for human beings.
Here are some pictures to help. There's a picture of the radius of Yellowstone's ash and pyroclastic material. There is a picture just before it is erupted, and there is a picture of the pyroclastic material spreading just after it is erupted. Thank you for your time, Dr. Mullik. It was great having you here.
Thank you very much. It was nice being with you.
And that's all on XYZ News Yellowstone Super Eruption. Was the lava
What? Sorry.
Mom?
I think
Was the lava viscous or was it very sticky?
It was extremely viscous.
Nope.